Fellas, let's be real, looks matter. But not in the way you think. Ever wonder what women really find attractive? Is it just about jawlines, muscles, and height? Or is there something deeper? Today, we're breaking down exactly what makes a man attractive in a woman's eyes. And trust me, it's not just about genetics. Stick around, because this might just change the way you see yourself forever. Section 1. First impressions matter, but they're not everything. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, first impressions matter. But here's the catch. Studies show women rate overall attractiveness based on a combination of physical appearance, body language, confidence, and vibe. It's not just about being hot, it's about how you present yourself. Here's the deal, if you carry yourself like a man who respects himself, people will naturally see you as more attractive. Ever noticed how an average-looking guy with great energy and confidence gets more attention than a good-looking guy who acts insecure? That's psychology at work. One crucial part of first impressions is your voice. Women are drawn to a deep, calm, and confident voice. A high-pitched or anxious tone signals nervousness, while a slow, steady voice projects power and control. So, practice speaking with authority and clarity. Section 2. The looks that matter most. Now, let's break it down. What physical traits do women actually notice first? Based on surveys, these are the top 5 things women pay attention to in men. 1. Grooming and hygiene. A well-groomed man signals self-care and maturity. Keep your beard trimmed, hair neat, and nails clean. Bad breath? Game over. A great smelling cologne can be a game changer. Pick one that's subtle yet masculine. 2. Posture and body language. Stand tall, make eye contact, and don't fidget. Good posture makes you look stronger, more confident, and more masculine. Women also subconsciously pick up on how you move. Smooth, controlled movements indicate self-assurance. 3. Style and fit. You don't need designer brands, just wear clothes that fit well. A clean, well-fitted outfit shows you know how to put yourself together. If you want to stand out, invest in statement pieces like a quality leather jacket or well-fitted blazer. 4. Facial features and expression. Sharp jawlines are great, but what really matters? A warm, genuine smile. Women are drawn to expressive eyes and a confident, relaxed facial expression. Train yourself to maintain eye contact without being creepy. It's a huge sign of confidence. 5. Fitness and physique. You don't need to be a bodybuilder. A lean, athletic build is more attractive than just being big. Focus on looking healthy and energetic. Hit the gym, stay active, and maintain good posture. It'll not only improve your looks but also boost your testosterone and confidence. Section 3. The secret sauce, masculinity and confidence. Alright, let's talk about the game changer, masculine energy. Women don't just want a good-looking guy, they want a man who exudes confidence, leadership, and stability. Masculine energy isn't about acting tough or being aggressive. It's about being grounded. Women subconsciously pick up on this. Are you calm under pressure? Do you take responsibility? Do you have a purpose? These traits make you stand out more than just looks alone. One key aspect of masculinity is decisiveness. Women appreciate men who know what they want and take action. Whether it's choosing a restaurant, making plans for the weekend, or setting goals for the future, being decisive makes you more attractive. Indecisiveness, on the other hand, creates uncertainty and weakens attraction. Another major factor? Presence. Women are naturally drawn to men who can hold space and stay present in the moment. If you're constantly on your phone or distracted, you lose points. But if you focus on her, listen intently, and respond with confidence, you'll stand out effortlessly. Section 4. How to boost your attractiveness immediately. Alright, so how do you become instantly more attractive without changing your DNA? Here's your action plan. 1. Upgrade your grooming routine. Invest in a good haircut, skincare, and cologne. Simple, but powerful. 2. Master confident body language. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and maintain eye contact. Never slouch. 3. Dress with purpose. Wear clothes that fit. A $20 well-fitted shirt looks better than a $200 baggy one. 4. Get in shape. You don't need a six-pack, but hitting the gym boosts testosterone and confidence. 5. Develop a magnetic personality. Be passionate about something. Have a sense of humor. Stay curious and engaged in conversations. Another tip, learn to tell stories. Women love men who can captivate them with interesting stories and engaging conversation. A great storyteller keeps a woman's attention and makes interactions more memorable. 6. Work on your voice and speech. A deep, steady voice is a game changer. Slow down, articulate clearly, and avoid filler words like or Confidence in speech is just as important as physical confidence. Section 5. The biggest mistakes men make. Now, let's talk about the things that kill your attractiveness instantly. Avoid these like the plague. Poor hygiene. Seriously, this is non-negotiable. Weak posture and nervous energy. Confidence starts in the way you move. Trying too hard. Desperation is unattractive. Relax and let things flow. Negativity and complaining. Nobody wants to be around a guy who always plays the victim. Lack of ambition or purpose. Women are drawn to men with direction in life. Find your purpose and own it. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, attraction isn't about being the best-looking guy in the room. It's about being the most confident, well-groomed, and self-assured version of yourself. Women are naturally drawn to men who carry themselves with purpose. Work on that, and you'll stand out effortlessly. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, this video stay safe and awesome. Please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that